Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
It is a matter of great honor for Department of Post, Goa Division to have released a special cover on Khola Chilli. As been told to you, Khola Chilli has a GI indication. It is in fact a symbol of great cultural heritage of Goa. It has got its own distinct characteristics which makes it a very unique brand of Goa. The whole process of GI indication is a very rigorous process with lot of documentation, authentication, and I am very happy that especially officials from the Goa Chilli, the Khola Chilli Producers Association has taken great efforts to obtain this GI indication. These are the tangible assets which should be highlighted throughout India. These are the products which should be known to people for their own unique brand, and they should be made aware throughout the world.
आणि खोला चिलीतल्या त्यांना जे आजपर्यंत कमाई मेळटा आजपर्यंत इन्कम जो मेळटा त्याच्या कितें तो इन्कम दुप्पट जावं शकता कित्याक आयज आमी ते चिली जेन्ना जाता थंय मिरसांग ती तशी तशी विकतात जी बाकीच्या मिरसांगी कितली पटीन तरी चड रेट आसता खोला मिरची जेन्ना तशी टॅग लागता तेन्ना ती रेट चड आसता मार्केटाक पूण आमचे कडेन शॉर्टेज आसता तितली मोठ्या प्रमाणात आमचे लागवड जायना पूण हीच आमकां सगळ्या शेतकऱ्यांनी आत्मसात करून घेवचें एक पिके भितर सगळ्यांनी सांबाळून घेवचें मोठ्या प्रमाणात पीक जावची हो आमचो प्रयत्न आसा आनी ताका लागून संतुलीत सरकारान तांकां सहकार्य करपाचें हें केल्लें आसा आनी ताकाच लागून क्लस्टर आमी करता गोंया FAO करता तेन्ना खोला चिलीचो एक प्रोसेस रिव्यू जावचो जे तांकां जी खोला चिली आसा तेजो हांगाच प्रोसेस जावन तांकां दाम दुप्पट मेळचो